Line is a cash advance style app that gives users access to small amounts of money based on income activity instead of traditional credit checks. That means approval depends more on your bank behavior than your credit score. By the end, you'll know how Line actually approves cash advances, what you can realistically expect from it, and whether it's worth using compared to other cash advance apps. Line is built around short-term cash access. It is not a traditional loan provider. The app focuses on giving users small advances when they are between paychecks, using income and banking activity as the main qualification method. Now explain how it works. To use Line, you connect your bank account inside the app. The system reviews your income deposits and spending patterns to determine eligibility for cash advances. This replaces credit-based approval with transaction-based approval. Now explain what you actually get. If approved, users can access a cash advance amount based on their eligibility profile. That amount is not the same for everyone and can vary depending on account activity. Now, talk about speed. Line promotes fast access to funds once approved, but actual transfer timing depends on your bank and the selected transfer method. Some users may see quicker access than others. Now, talk about repayment. Repayment is typically tied to your next paycheck. The app is designed to automatically collect repayment when income is deposited, so users don't manually manage payments. Now talk about costs. Cash advance apps like Line often use fees or subscription-style access depending on how the service is structured. The cost depends on how quickly you want access and what features you use. Now talk about limitations. Line is designed for small, short-term cash gaps. It is not meant for large borrowing needs or long-term financial planning. Now, the key reality. Line is not a guaranteed funding tool. Approval, advance amounts, and speed depend entirely on your financial activity and eligibility inside the system. So the decision depends on your situation. If you need occasional small cash advances tied to your income, Line can be useful. If you need predictable or larger borrowing options, it may not be the right fit. Here's the simple breakdown. Line works as an income-based cash advance app for short-term gaps. It is built for flexibility between paychecks, not long-term financial support. Do this next. Check how often you actually need short-term cash before payday and compare Line with other apps you already qualify for. Then decide whether small advances actually improve your cash flow. If you want occasional small cash support based on your income activity, Line can help. If you need guaranteed loan amounts, it is not designed for that use case.